Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to quickly switch up object colors in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose the Custom Size option and enter 300 by 300 pixels. After setting the size, go to the Elements tab in the sidebar. Browse through the available images and select one to use in your design. For this example, we'll use the sample image shown in the library. To change the color of this book, look at the top of the screen. Find the icon or option that matches the appearance of the book. Click on that option to access color settings. Select your desired color, and the book's color will update instantly in your project. Click the color box to open the color picker. Select a different color to apply it immediately. You can experiment with various colors until you find the one you like. The changes update in real time. Notice that this book is updated alongside the list shown here. You can use another method to achieve the same result. Click Edit, then look for the Filters option. In the Filters section, you can apply different criteria to manage which books or items are displayed. Adjust the filters as needed to tailor the list to your preferences or requirements. Select a color from the options here, then browse through the available styles to choose one you like, such as this example. Once you've picked a style, use the intensity slider to further customize your selection. Adjusting the intensity will also modify the color, allowing you to achieve exactly the look you want. Select your desired color, such as amber, from the palette. To adjust its intensity, use the available controls to make the color lighter or darker. For example, move the slider toward black to create a deeper shade, or toward white for a lighter appearance. Experiment with different combinations of black and white to customize the color's tone and shading, allowing you to achieve the exact look you want for your project. You can select the green color, or choose from a variety of other available colors as needed. This allows you to customize your selection according to your preferences, ensuring the look or style best suits your project's specific requirements. After changing the color, click the Share button, then select Download. You can also adjust the image size before downloading to improve quality. Increasing the image size will result in a higher quality download for your project needs. Click the Download button to save your file directly to your computer now. For best printing results, use PDF Print. This ensures your document prints clearly and retains its original formatting. You've learned how to change object colors in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.